We need to talk. Excuse the ashy hands. I don't have time. The kids get out of school early today and I have about 20 minutes to do this video. So hi, welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. My name is Leslie. I do planner related videos and journaling and all that great stuff. And today I have an unboxing of the Sterling Ink planner. So let's go ahead and jump right to it. So if you are a returning subscriber, you're wondering, wait, what do you mean Sterling Ink? You said you were gonna get an Aura Estelle. And just for, just to explain myself a little bit here, I purchased an Aura Estelle undated planner. It was gorgeous, but it was not for me. It was not for me. I felt overwhelmed with the fact that I had to date the planner and all that great stuff. So I decided to get Sterling Ink again for the new year. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a whole bunch of pens here. We're gonna do pen test and we're gonna have a great time. All right, so I did open the planner because my kids wanted a little bubble wrap. They love this stuff and it came like very nicely wrapped. However, I haven't seen it, so this is going to be like a surprise for me and you. So grab a cup of coffee and let's just jump right in. I have my dishwasher on, y'all, so if you can hear it, I'm sorry. Okay, so I love the packaging from Sterling Ink. How stunning is this? It needs its little moment because it looks so chic and so sophisticated. All right, so I decided to go for a B6 planner once again. However, I saw that they were selling a new planner called the Core planner. It's called Core Full Year. That's the name right there. And it was not that expensive. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna go for that. So I decided to get that and I'm super excited. So let me show you. Okay, so it comes with this gorgeous card. I forgot her name, but she is so talented. Look at this, stunning. And it has like a little card in the back, super nice. I love that. I guess you could scan this code and you get like 30-day planning challenge, monthly journal prompts, vision board guide, and how to plan, like ways to use your planner. I love this. Wait, super cute. She also sends like a little freebie. So here we have some stickers and another little card, super pretty as well. Okay, and here is the planner. I'm so excited. I don't know why people do this, but I do it when I'm excited. All right, so she always, wait, there's a hair. Yo, I swear, like I feel like I'm going bald. My hair keeps falling, I'm sorry. Okay, so she always includes like a card with her orders. Well, at least the planners that I've gotten from her. And this one, it's gorgeous. And we have 2026 in the back. I use it like a, what's that called? Like a pen, a pencil board. Is that how you call it? I don't know, y'all. I can't talk today. But if you don't use that, you can frame it into like a little framing situation. That would be cute. All right, so here it is. In the back, it says Core Planner 2026. It is a B6 planner. And what I like about this planner is that the pages in the back are not like a ton of pages. There's only 23 pages in the back. And the paper, it's different. She did mention something about, I don't know, but I have to look it up. I think it's 98 GSM paper. It is not Tomoe River paper. She's testing this out for this year and see if people like it. And yes, I would test it. I will test it. Okay. All right. So once you open it up, you have this like page here. You have your 2026 page, and it says here that it's a B6 planner. This page here, I really appreciate it from Sterling Ink because I don't need to know about 2025. I mean, who wants to know about 2025? And here's 2026. That's all we get. I love that. And we have in here 2 blank pages, and immediately, yes, the planner, I mean the paper, it's definitely thicker. I keep looking for like an in-between page because I'm so used to the Tomoe River paper, but it doesn't bother me. It is thicker though. It doesn't bother me at all. I mean, I like it. So in here we have the goal breakdown, and I think I'm gonna use it for something completely different for next year. So stay tuned for that. That's for another video. And over here we have the 2026 yearly tracker. I also really love this, and I think it looks darker than the one from this year, in my opinion. Here we have the quarterly planning. I don't know if you own a Sterling Ink, but she has like every quarter, well, she has them all in the front of the planner, but she has this for every quarter. So we have the first, second, third, and fourth quarter. And here it starts in December, and oh my gosh, I love that because I love starting my planners out in December, y'all. We have a little space down here. I don't know, but for some reason I think it looks darker than the planner that I have. I don't know. So we have all the months scattered, not scattered, we have all the months in the front of the planner. Okay, I was talking about this with my planner bestie, and I never really noticed that from Sterling Ink, but I'm noticing it now. I like having like the whole month, the complete month, and not like split in two, because my birthday is the last day of the month, and I don't want to have my day like split in two, if that makes any sense. So here we have all the months all the way to, let me see, we have all the way to January of 2027. By then I'm not gonna be using it, so I might just glue these 2 pages together. And of course I chose, well, I think this is the only layout in the core, but I got the vertical. You already know I am a vertical girl through and through. I'm really excited to use this planner. I have no complaints from this planner, and all I'm gonna be doing here is I'm only gonna be doing my planning in this planner, and maybe add a few things back here. But here's what I was saying, you only get 23 pages in the back, so it's not like super thick or overwhelming, because my planner from now is not overwhelming. I love it. It's just really thick. It's just getting out of control. And of course they had black. I think black was the only color they had in core, and they had a B6 and an A5, and they were just testing them, see how people like them. I love the they call it onyx, so I love the onyx color, and I got the gilded edges, which looks so pretty. And yeah, this is how the planner looks like. Let's do a little pen test. Let's see how it works, how it is, you know, how it does. I don't think I'm gonna have any issues with it. Let me use the last page in the back, or like this, more like this page. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna have any issues, but either way, if you want to see it, then I've been like liking that lately, just putting timestamps in case you don't want to see things like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have, let's try out just everything. This is the, what's that called, the Crayola marker. Okay, we have the paper age highlighter. That looks, I did that so bad. We have the Tombow. We have this pen that I got from my husband. I don't know what type of pen it is, but I like it, and it does really good in Tomoe River paper. I think it's a Moji. I don't know. I have this one, which is a Retech retractable fountain pen. And I have a Sharpie. I hope I don't regret this. Okay, so here's how it looks like. I don't see, you know, the little flaky thing that everybody talks about. Yo, I don't know the name, but some pens you get like this little flaky thing. I am not getting that with this paper. And this is how the back looks like. Very, very minimal ghosting. You could barely see anything at all. And no, what's that called? No, you cannot see it in the back. Yo, I can't talk. I'm telling you, I don't know what's going on with me. So I even used the Sharpie pen and it did amazing. I usually don't write just anywhere with the Sharpie pen. If you know, you know. So it did really good. Wow, I'm really impressed. All right, so that is pretty much it. I think I'm gonna name everything just to have it back here for my little records, but that is pretty much it. I'm very excited. I of course will be setting this planner up with you all. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you got some inspiration or ideas on what planner or planners you're getting for 2026. I know some people take a little bit longer. I can't wait. I'm like that. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video, and I will see you all really soon for another one. Bye.